Connecting your AirPods to the Apple Watch Ultra 3 can feel a little confusing at first, especially if you're used to pairing them with an iPhone where everything happens automatically. On the Apple Watch, the process is slightly more manual, and many users aren't sure whether their AirPods are already connected through iCloud or if they need to pair them separately. The good thing is that Apple makes this process smooth once you understand how it works. Whether you're listening to music during a workout or taking calls without your phone nearby, having your AirPods connected directly to your watch gives you a much more flexible and wireless experience. Once set up properly, your AirPods will connect quickly every time you use them. Try these. Step 1. Put your AirPods in your ears or open the charging case. Step 2. On your Apple Watch Ultra 3, open Settings. Step 3. Tap on Bluetooth to view available devices. Step 4. If not already connected, put AirPods in pairing mode. Step 5. Select your AirPods name from the list. Step 6. Wait for the status to show connected.